We've been tracking rainfall across Metro Vancouver. Areas into the Fraser Valley will still hang on to cloud cover and a chance of showers. But the outlook, as we get in through the afternoon, we've got a few bright spots in there with a partly cloudy sky. Temperatures will bump up to 9. Average for this time of the year sits at 8 degrees. We've got cloud cover building in once again, especially overnight. And then for the morning hours on Saturday, the start of our weekend, be prepared. Saturday will be a soggy one. We've got 10 and up to 20 millimeters, potentially for rainfall amounts, and windy conditions with gusts of up to 40. Tapers off on Sunday. We've got the potential for some snow in the long range, and I'll have more coming up in just a moment. Today we'll get up to 9, so we'll check on the Almanac. Average sits at 8, a record of 13 degrees. That was set back in 1954, and the sun set closer to 4:21. Heads up, though, if you're traveling along the mountain passes, we still have snowfall through the day today. Rogers as well as the Kootenay Pass could see up to 15 centimeters and then tapering off to flurries. So if you're planning on traveling along the mountain passes, bit of a lull in the action will be for tonight and for the early morning hours on Saturday. But a winter storm watch has been issued, and this is a big concern. The Coquihalla as well as the Connector and Allison Pass all included within that. The timeline as we get in towards the evening hours for Saturday night, we could see heavy snow, blowing snow with up to 20 centimeters as possible. So a significant amount of snow is on the way. And we'll be tracking that for Sunday. And you'll want to check in with drivebc.ca for the latest road conditions. Now, the Futurecast putting it into play. There's a snapshot for a Saturday. Rainfall heavy at times. Also windy conditions for areas that are closer to the water. We'll see a bit of a lull in the action on Sunday where it'll be a chance for some showers. But I wanted to highlight Sunday night, we could see it cold enough that we could see some flurries. Won't be much in terms of accumulation, but we'll be seeing the potential for some flurries. That'll be on Sunday night. Easing off on Monday, a break in between systems, and then cold enough. Cold Arctic air is moving in across the province, the big weather story that we're following. And this will be on Tuesday, Wednesday, where we could see rain or snow. So stay tuned. The potential for some snow starts to move in our long-range forecast, and it could be as early as Tuesday and Wednesday next week. Partly cloudy skies. This is for the piece through the day today. Temperatures will bump up to 3. Whitehorse will see a mainly cloudy sky overnight tonight down to -9. A chance of flurries on Saturday, and then a bright spot once again on Sunday. North Coast will be rain over the next 2, but we are going to see a nice break latter half of the weekend with that sunshine on Sunday. Highs will bump up to 3. Caribou and Central Interior, partly cloudy sky. We are going to track that rainfall moving in across the region on Saturday, and a few flurries will be possible and isolated on Sunday. Columbia and Kootenay, we are seeing some wet snowfall, a bit of a transition for a few spots into the interior, and a heads up, there is a slight chance to see the risk of freezing rain before it changes over. Saturday morning with that chance for some flurries or wet snowfall, and then on Sunday it's a partly cloudy sky. Whistler, a break on the way through the afternoon, wet snowfall for Saturday morning, a bright spot on Sunday as it dries out, and across the island very similar. So out of the weekend, it's Saturday that we'll see the heaviest rainfall, windy conditions. On Sunday, it'll be a chance for some showers. By the evening hours on Sunday, we could see flurries in the mix. Should ease off on Monday, a bright spot. And then on Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll be watching very closely. We are looking at the potential for some snow across Metro Vancouver.
Thanks so much, Yvonne, I think. There are new recommendations